YouTube is no longer as it used to be. That is, you can no longer just create channel, create content, upload your content, and then get monetized and start making money. I mean, it was fun while it lasted, but right now, there's a lot of competition and a lot of things that you need to put into place before you can even start making $1 on YouTube. And that is why you need to take this video so seriously, because I'm going to be sharing the secrets to my successful YouTube channels. That is a secret tool that I use in doing a deep research to find profitable niches that grow really fast with low competition, and also the monetization strategy. I'm going to be showing you how to use this tool and everything that you need to do in this video. So if this is something that you're interested in, please come closer and let's dive in. So to get started, fire up your browser and visit skywalk.ai. You can find the link to this tool in the description for easy access. Now, if you come over here, you can see that you can use this tool to generate slides, and then you can use it to generate documents, PDFs, documents, everything. And of course, you can use it to generate images. You can use it to create designs. As you can see right here, all these things were created using skywalk.ai. And here you can see sheets. You can use it to create spreadsheets for whatever need that you have. So if you're into data, you can easily use Skywalk AI. And here you can see websites. So with just a simple prompt, you can be able to generate a full-blown website without any issues whatsoever. And then you can use it to generate videos and a whole lot of AI skills. Now, there's so many things you can use this for, and I'm not going to be going into all of them right now, but I'll make subsequent videos to show you how to use some of this tool. But in this video, I'm going to be walking you through how you can use this to find the best niche on YouTube that is going to grow faster and make you a lot of money. Now that we have this, the first thing we need to do is we're going to go ahead and log in by clicking on login, and then you're going to sign up with your email address. And once you're signed in, the next thing you want to do is to come over here and put in your script. But before then, I want you to take a sneak peek at my project. You can see some of the projects that I've used this for, and you can see there's a lot of YouTube stuff. So you know what I mean, okay? So I'm going to be walking you through how to do this. And to put our prompt, we're going to come over to our prompt library. I've put together a prompt library for you, and I'm going to leave it in the description so that you can easily get to it and work with it, okay? So here, I'm going to copy this prompt one. So I'm going to copy it like so. And then we're going to come back to Skywalk AI, and we're going to paste in this prompt like so. So now that I have the prompt, I'm going to go ahead and select the model that I wanted to generate with. And this is where it gets very interesting, because it has access to Claude, the highest version of Claude, the highest version of ChatGPT, the highest version of Gemini, and the highest version of Kimi. Now, how cool is this? So once you want to generate something, you can easily choose whichever model that you want, and it's going to generate with that particular model. But for the purpose of this tutorial, and the one that I usually use is the auto model, because what it's going to do is that it's going to work with all the models and find the one that is best suitable for the response that you want or for the research that you're doing, and then use that. But if you select ChatGPT or you select Claude, it might not give you the exact response that you want. So that's why I usually use the auto model. So if you use the auto model, it's going to choose the model that is going to work with and give you a very detailed response. Now, how cool is this? So I'm going to go ahead and send it and let it do its magic.
A few moments later.
And now you can see that it's done generating, and we now have our 10 profitable faceless YouTube niches for this year. Now, it can work for any year that you're watching this video. You can watch this video in 2027, and trust me, this tool will still be active. So here you can see 10 profitable faceless YouTube niches for this year. So it could be any year that you're watching this. It's going to generate something awesome for you, irrespective of the year that you're going to be watching this video. So here you can see full niche comparison table. And then here you have the niche. Is going to give you the niche, and then he's going to give you the estimated CPM. This is cost per minute. This is how much YouTube is going to be paying you for 1,000 views. So it's going to give you the niche and give you how much you're most likely going to be making from 1,000 views, and also the competition, whether it's high, low, or medium, and then the growth trend is going to give you the growth trend for that particular niche. And then content difficulty, if it's hard, if it's difficult, if it's medium, if it's not hard, if it's easy, it's going to give you all that. And also target audience. This is also very important for those of you that are targeting people in developed countries like UK, US, Canada and all of that. It's going to give you that target audience as well. Now, how cool is this? So here you can see finance and investing. You can see that it gets $25 to $65 for 1,000 views. And of course, as we all know, it's a high competition. And this is why you need this tool for your research, because it saves you a lot of stress. This is the reason a lot of people start a YouTube channel and then they face a lot of bottlenecks, or they don't even get monetized in years. This is the major reason, because they don't do a deep research like this with this tool. And please, don't mistake this tool for ChatGPT, Claude, or Gemini. They are absolutely nothing compared to this tool. This tool is like 100 times better than whatever ChatGPT is going to give you. Claude, Gemini put together. I've used them before and they give me vague responses and not something this detailed, because they're going to just give me something random just for the purpose of responding to me. But this actually does a very deep work. And if you come here, you can see that they even give you references of where they got the entire details from, okay? So moving on, you can see all the interesting niches. This is legal and court drama. This is very, very interesting. Let me know in the comment section if you want me to break down some of these niches, because they are incredible. And as you can see, it's quite low. The competition is quite low and the growth is amazing. You can see this one, the growth is explosive, and this one, the growth is 8.1x. That is 8 times, it grows 8 times faster than most niches on YouTube. Now, how cool is this? Tell me thank you in the comment section. That is all I need from you at this point, because come on. I'm introducing you to good stuff on this channel. If we scroll down, you can see other niches, the difficulty, how much you're most likely going to make for every 1,000 views that you generate on your channel. And the good thing about this is it will help you get into a niche that even if you don't get so many views in a month, you're still going to be making a lot of money. This is the major reason why a lot of people will get 200,000 views, 300,000 views, and be making thousands of dollars from their channel every single month, because their CPM is very high. So these are the things that you consider when choosing and picking a niche, right? But there's every other thing that is added to it, and I'm going to be showcasing that shortly. Now, here you can see the monetization beyond AdSense. And this is the mind-blowing part, because it gives you the monetization beyond AdSense. It breaks it down for you. That is, it gives you the sponsorship potential. That is the brand deals and everything that you're going to be getting per niche. So it gives you an idea of the type of companies that will approach you for brand deals if you get into a particular niche. As you can see here, fintech for finance and investing, fintechs, banks, brokers. Incredible. And then here you can see affiliate opportunities. So affiliate opportunities is the fact that you talk about a product, or you put a link in the description, and then you're going to get a commission for every sign up. And then the person that is using the affiliate link will also get a huge discount, which is like an incentive for them to use the link. So it's usually a win-win for them. And a lot of people make a lot of money from these affiliate deals. I'm talking about affiliates. I'm going to be leaving my own affiliate link for this tool in the description, so you can go ahead and use it. That is if they have an affiliate link. I'm going to find it after this video and include it in the description. But if it's not there, just use the link in the description. It's totally fine. Just put it on the house. Okay, so here is the digital products. So it's going to give you a list of digital products you can create and sell on your channel and use it to make money. So for every niche, there is a type of digital product you can be able to create and sell it on your channel and use it to make a lot of money. And this is where a lot of creators, a lot of new creators, they just get on YouTube and the only thing in their head is YouTube partner program, but they don't even know that you can start making money on YouTube even without being monetized on YouTube. You can literally start making money with 100 subscribers, 500 subscribers, less than 1,000 subscribers, you can be making thousands of dollars. And I've talked about a couple of this on this channel, but let me know in the comment section if you want me to throw more light to this topic. And then others, it gives you other ideas on how you can make money from your channel, okay? And then here is going to give you the top 3 niches, no camera, no experience. That is a faceless channel. Now it's going to give you the niche and tell you why it's recommending that niche for you to start up with, because it's not every niche that is beginner friendly. You need to know the do's and don'ts and everything to get into that niche. So it's going to bring out the ones that you can do and recommend that to you. Now, how cool is this? Now, if you go down, you can see a lot of other things that it generated for us, which is totally mind-blowing. But I don't want to waste your time. I want to quickly show you another thing that you can do with this. Still on this topic, here you can see prompt 2, competitor channel analysis. And this is the one that is incredibly mind-blowing, because what it's going to do is that it's going to do a deep research and compare the channel that you want to get into with other competitors, give you a list of competitors and a lot of things. Let me show you how to do it. So all we have to do is to come right here and copy this prompt, copy prompt 2, and we're going to come to skywalk.ai and paste in the prompt like so. And now that we have it, we're going to go ahead and send it and let it generate the competitor analysis for us. And here you can see that it's done generating our competitor analysis report, and it even added it in a document. Now, how cool is this? Here you can see that using this tool gives you access to other paid tools as well, just like that. So you don't even need to pay for all those tools again. You don't need to pay for ChatGPT. You don't need to pay for Gemini. You don't need to pay for all these tools again, because this tool has everything that you ever need. And then it pulls resources from all those paid tools. So it's more or less like you're getting more for far, far less. Now, how cool is this? So you can see executive summary, you can see section 1, competitor channel overview. So it's going to give you the list of the channel, give you their handles, and then it's going to give you their subscriber count. And then it's going to give you their monthly estimated views, so they can have an idea of what you're going to experience when you start that particular niche. This is incredible. And then you can see channel age is going to tell you how old the channel is. And this is very important. If you want to get on YouTube and you want to start a channel, you should make sure that that particular niche is a niche that has been there for a very long time, because you want to start a channel that's going to stand the test of time, not a channel that you start today and then it gets shut down tomorrow. So here you can see that it's giving you the channel ages. You can see 7 years, 5 years, 4 years, 3 years, and 2 years, and all of them are monetized. Then you can see upload frequency. It gives you a breakdown of the upload frequency. And all this information that we're getting here is something that we would have paid heavily for a lot of tools. A lot of YouTube tools out there that does YouTube research and all of that, you're going to pay heavily monthly to get all these things. But with this tool, with just one payment, you're going to have access to everything ChatGPT can do, everything Claude can do, everything Gemini can do, everything Nano Banana can do, and everything VO3 can do, and everything YouTube research tools can do. Now, this is mind-blowing. Tell me thank you in the comment section again, because come on, I deserve it. And if you haven't liked this video, you're wrong. Go ahead and drop a like on this video, because it's a way for me to know that you like the content that I create on this channel and you want me to create even more. So here you can see section 2, content performance analysis. And this is not the most interesting one of the most interesting parts, because all of them are interesting. All of them are very necessary. Here you can see broke down what performs best per channel. So it gives you an idea of what performs best for a particular channel. Here you can see primary topics, and then you can see secondary topics, and then you can see tone and voice. And then here you can see viral formula. So it even gives you an idea, the formula that you can use to go viral on your channel. So if you're looking to go viral, if you're looking to grow fast, it's going to give you strategies that you can put in on your channel and use it to go viral. Now, how cool? How cool is this? So here is top performing videos verified. So it's going to give you the videos that are performing well, so that you can see what they have done, watch the videos and see how they put their videos together, see what they have done, and know how you're going to do yours. Doing YouTube is more of research than creating the video. If you just jump on and create videos, you're going to make a mess. You're not going to get monetized on time. You're not even going to get monetized in maybe a year or two. But if you're looking to getting monetized pretty fast, you need to do all this research. And before now, we had to manually do all this research one after the other to be able to get to channels that is going to give us a good result. But now, with just a click of a button, we are getting all this. Now, how cool is this? So if you scroll down, it's going to give you thumbnail and title pattern. So you see why I said that this is not like ChatGPT, Gemini, or Claude, because it gives you a very good detailed information that is going to be very helpful for you. You can see here, thumbnail and title pattern analysis. So it's going to analyze the thumbnail and the titles and give you the pattern that you're going to follow. So this is more like a Bible that guides your channel, your prospective channel. Incredible. So you're not just acting based on, oh, you assume that this is how it's supposed to be done or whatever. You're now acting based on what is needed for your niche, and it will help you grow super fast. So this is more like the secret to growing super fast on YouTube. So if you scroll down to section 3, you're going to see content gap analysis. Now, for every section that we get to, is as if that one is the mind-blowing section. But you can't blame me, because content gap analysis fills in what the viewers want, but the videos are not enough to supply the need of the viewers. And YouTube knows this, so any new content that you upload goes viral instantly. I and my team, we use this all the time to grow channels pretty fast, and that is why we get an insane result. And that is because we use this content gap strategy. And here for section 3.2 is going to give you the audience demand signals. The following recurring requests were found across comment sections. So it crawls all the comment sections and finds the topics that the audience are talking about and asking for, the type of videos the audience are talking about and asking for, and it brings it for you. Guess what? When you upload that video, those audience will see that and they'll get to your channel, and the rest will be history. Come on. Now, here is section 4. I really like you to try this tool. It's free to try it out, and it's quite very affordable, and it saves you a lot of money that you're going to spend on every other tool. So here is section 4, unique angles for a new channel. Gives you a unique angle that you're going to use to dominate the niche. So you don't just start creating content like every other person in the niche. It's going to give you an angle you're going to take so you can dominate a lot faster. Now, how cool is this? So here you can see differentiation strategy matrix, and you're going to see the angle, you're going to see the core concept, you're going to see the competitor weakness it exploits. So using this tool to do your research before you start your YouTube channel will give you a very high edge over every other person that wants to start randomly, because you're going to learn a lot of things about a particular niche you want to get into, and then you're going to know if it's worth getting into or not. This is the core secret I use for a lot of my successful YouTube channels. And it's not just for doing research on the YouTube channel that you want to start. You can use it to generate scripts, images, videos, and all of that. Let me know in the comment section, and I'm going to do that video for you. And you can find the link to Skywalk in the description. And talking about Skywalk, here is another video that I have for you on how you can use Skywalk and the things that you can use Skywalk for. So go ahead and watch it and thank me later. See you on the other side. Ciao.